Hi, I'm Trey. As a brand, you are constantly trying to attract new customers. Adobe Real Time Customer Data Platform can help you find, engage, and acquire new customers, even as third-party cookies leave the equation. With tools that let you create lookalike audiences, use partner data to enrich profiles, and collaborate with trusted third parties, you are able to target audiences who have never interacted with your brand, as well as build new audiences from known populations. When setting out on a prospecting mission, scale and value are always the name of the game. Let's start with lookalike audiences. A lookalike audience is a new, desirable audience that Real Time CDP generates based on shared attributes with one of your current high-value audiences. In essence, you're identifying more of those valuable customers. Enhanced by AI, Real Time CDP generates different variations of the lookalike audience and monitors performance. Let me show you how it's done. From the dashboard, we'll find an audience segment that performs well and click on Lookalike Insights. You can see that Real Time CDP shows you the most influential factors in selecting prospects for the lookalike audience so that the model isn't a black box. You can adjust the size of the audience you want to reach based on your marketing strategy. For instance, in an email campaign, you might be okay with a few hundred. In a paid media campaign, you might want something up in the thousands or more. You can create variations as you need. Real Time CDP gives you a total audience size and a percentage of how similar the new audience is to your base audience, the one you're modeling after. When you hit Create, you'll find your lookalike audience ready and available to use in campaigns. Now with AI-backed insights that help you find more of your most valuable customers. When you're working to acquire more customers, it's critical to look beyond first-party data. Real Time CDP also allows you to use data from trusted external data partners to build new audiences. A data partner is any organization that sells data to help brands acquire new customers, such as Axiom or Merkle. With Real Time CDP, you can use partner data in two ways: building and engaging new audiences who have never interacted with your brand, or enriching your existing first-party audiences with additional partner data. We start by creating a new prospect audience, one that we'll ask our data partner to supply information on. The customer list they provide is ingested into Real Time CDP as prospect profiles. Unlike other CDPs, Real Time CDP keeps these prospect profiles intentionally separate from your known customer population to avoid potential privacy issues. This data is exchanged through cloud connectors or even Secure File Transfer Protocol, or SFTP. Here's how this works. Here, you can see the profiles and the type of data that contributes to them, such as demographics, clusters, propensity models, or propensity scores. First, ingest the prospects from your data partner and choose the profiles that you want to include in this audience. It's the same process as creating an audience from your own data. Once you've created the audience of prospects, you can send it to the partner for activation and engage the prospect with impactful experiences. Now you're prospecting at scale with trusted and durable identifiers. Partner data also allows you to enrich and build audiences using customers you have in common with the data partner. These partners can provide new details and attributes to enrich your profiles. This allows you to build audiences based on new, powerful insights. Let's take a closer look at how enriching a profile can contribute to new audiences. Here's a customer named Sarah who has had partner data added to her profile. This new set of attributes qualifies Sarah for new audience segments. To create the audience, we'll go into the build rule and look at our new partner attributes. The partner data attributes are here. So for example, I can grab demographics. If you want to target the 45 to 54-year-old age segment, you can give that a yes value, so it becomes part of your audience definition. That's how we create a new and enriched audience from known customers using our partner data. With partner data, you can expand beyond your own first-party footprint to acquire or engage with new customers. Another way to find more customers is by collaborating with other brands. Adobe is helping brands connect with publishers more directly. This is where Real Time CDP Collaboration comes into the picture. Within Real Time CDP, you can work with other brands or publisher partners. For example, publishers can suggest prospects that might be worth targeting for your brand. Then the activation follows through the publisher's channels. In the destination catalog, Real Time CDP offers a set of pre-built connectors to the most used destinations. You can also set up custom connections through APIs or using Destination SDK in Real Time CDP. To activate, Simply pick your destination, select your audience, set the remaining configurations, and then hit Finish. As we move further into a cookieless world, it's more important than ever to have the right solutions to reach and engage new prospects, so that you can then turn these prospects into loyal customers. That's exactly what Adobe Real Time CDP can do for you.